Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to open up settings on Windows 11 or 10 PC, and I'll also show you a keyboard shortcut how to open up settings. So the first way, what many people prefer, is pressing the start menu here and coming up to the pin section where settings should be. Now that's one way. Now the second way is right clicking on the start menu here and coming up and selecting settings. Now the third way is by pressing into the search menu here on the taskbar and searching out for settings. As you can see here, it should be best matched after just putting SE. Now, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, all you need to do to open up the settings is press the Windows key and I. And settings will come up like that. So that's 4 different ways how to open up settings on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Which do you prefer? The keyboard shortcut or one of the others? Let us know in the comments below.